Hey guys, we received this camping lantern for test and try. It's a 14,000 milliampere rechargeable telescopic camping lights with a built-in magnetic stand with speaker and a portable waterproof outdoor LED flashlight. So this can be used for your camping, and of course the first impression for the unboxing is nice, like everything is secured with their foam packing. So let's just take this out. So as you can see, it's a small factor lantern here and a stand if you want to put in. So this I have a buttons, Bluetooth speaker, light on the top, and you can extend this totally. So that's a good thing. It's have a totally four lighting models that I will show you with a 180 degrees. So you can recharge it with this supplied USB-C cable. To open it, you have to just open these legs, and then on the top part will also open up. So as you can see, these are this legs, so you can easily put in on any ground. And also they have this supplied small sticky like metal stuff that you can go and hold it on the ground. So I'm just opening it, just run it on and off. So just open and then shows the battery level. I will just connect it with the Bluetooth to my cell phone so I can show it to you. And also the connecting with the Bluetooth is straightforward, no password and nothing is required. And once connected, you can play any music like on it.
For mindfulness meditation, ASMR, and other mind audio. Visit idosermerch.com for mindfulness
So this is a waterproof with the magnetic foldable base. So this have a nominal, the speaker quality with a little boost. So this is a royalty-free music that you can hear with the speaker, and you can see like how you feel. But based on as a lamping lantern, this is really a nice sound which come for it, and also like with the anchoring thing and stuff. So Bluetooth speaker is a really nice add-on with this lantern, but the main thing of course is this, and they have this anchoring hole. So let's put it on the ground, and I can say like it holds on the ground really well. And then you can extend this up to this level. This is the maximum height. This is a small telescopic flashlight on the top, and of course like you can use it the way you want. So there are the four different light features as you can see in here, and you can adjust the height as well. So with a rotating lighting angle or the 800 lumens of high brightness, it's a really nice one for the camping or outside work. It also have this white light. So this can also be used as a table lamp, but of course the use is up to you. So it's a nice color combination set that you can use for outside one. So you can just extend it, rotate it to 180-degree angle and see like on the top or the bottom. So you can use it upwards, downwards, or on the side based on your need. And of course, the selection is also easy. But I'm really impressed with the height it can attain because it's a very small factor lantern light. But then you can just extend it on top of to this height, and you can just carry on like this into your bag. So as I mentioned, the anchoring angle or the holes, so this you can use to fit it on a grass or the wet ground. This can go inside so the lantern will not move anywhere. And for the packing, you can just put it down and then this will just lock. So here you can charge. You can see a USB and the USB. You can also charge it as an external, battery backup. So just put in the USB here, and you can charge any mobile or any other device. So you can see the charging started. So it's have a multi-use like a lantern, Bluetooth speaker, a portable chargeable battery pack, also a height with a telescopic flashlight, or any other thing you want to use. So you can charge it through this and you can see the indicators. It will start charging so you know how much battery is there. So outside you can see the light impact. It's almost like 7 or 8 p.m. and you can see a very nice light effect outside the home or like the outdoors. You can also use it with the white light and you can see the brightness that covers a lot of path. And as I mentioned, the 180-degree angle, you can make it on the top and then it will work like this. So night lamp, just up to you. Very nice outdoor lantern light.